2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, CD player, security system, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, power moonroof, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.